Heat treating loads up to 150,000 pounds requires a furnace that can not only withstand extremely high temperatures, provide brute strength and fast cooling, but also endure long process cycles with reliability, minimal downtime, and easy maintenance. Solar Manufacturing has designed a furnace that meets all these needs and more with their uniquely designed horizontal car-bottom vacuum furnace. Solar Manufacturing's founder, engineers, technicians, and metallurgists bring decades of knowledge to the development of these large furnaces and, partnered with the Solar Atmospheres Corporation, keep almost 60 different types of furnaces humming daily. The world's largest vacuum furnace can be found at Solar Atmospheres plant in Hermitage, Pennsylvania, and was designed by Solar Manufacturing. Solar Manufacturing's car-bottom furnaces are available in 3 sizes: 12-foot, 24-foot, and 36-foot. Currently, the 36-foot furnace processes workloads up to 75 tons. A major benefit to these large furnaces are the double-loading, water-cooled doors on both ends of the chamber. This allows workloads to be loaded and unloaded from either end of the furnace, increasing production efficiency. Hinged front and rear doors with pneumatically operated locking rings allow the furnace to safely quench at positive pressures. The furnace's high-performance gas quenching system uses dual gas return pipes to reduce pressure drop. The car-bottom furnace's hot zone is unique in that it utilizes a flex shield hot face backed by thick graphite felt insulation. This improves heat up and cooling times. Insulation and heating elements are mounted on stainless steel support structures that allow tremendous weight capacity and protect the parts from excessive temperatures of up to 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed to safely move super heavy workloads in and out of vacuum furnaces, Solar's patented transfer car loading system carries a capacity of up to 150,000 pounds. A durable drive system is rail-guided for precise loading and unloading. While wireless controls provide the operator with the convenience of a cable-free working environment. A high-performance furnace requires state-of-the-art controls. Solar Manufacturing has replaced the conventional hardwired panel with the SolarVac 3000 interactive control system. This programmable logic controller enables the operator to monitor process status at a glance. World-class heat treating and brazing shops require world-class vacuum furnaces, and Solar Manufacturing provides the quality furnaces to meet any heat treater's needs. Through years of testing and successful operation, Solar Manufacturing's car-bottom furnace is the proven design for processing large, heavy workloads in vacuum. To learn more about our diverse product line and to read technical sheets and find out the latest industry news, visit our website at www.solarmfg.com.